Well, good afternoon, and it's Friday, time for that smart investing briefing on video for you. And today we're talking about gold, because gold, well, year to date, it's down about 10%. And gold, I still see those commercials on TV, oh, gotta buy gold. I don't know, not such a great investment here.
We always hear the part of the asset allocation, you gotta be diversified. How about those precious metals? I mean, you look at the long-term results on gold, we're not big fans of it. I'll throw it out there.
No.
Look at this. Since 2011, it's down 33%. I mean, that not a very sound investment.
And you probably don't remember back then, like, oh, gold's going up 5,000 an ounce and so forth. And they said, no, it's not going to happen. And even going back further, if you go back to 1980, gold's at $664. Your total return since 1980 on gold is 84%. And we talk about it not being a good investment. I try to explain to people, it is just a chunk, a piece of metal. It is all it is. There's no financial statements, there's no dividends, no income statement, nothing from it. And again, this is a great example because gold is not doing well despite these times we're in right now.
I was going to say 84%, that's pretty good, right?
Over.
If you go back to, well, I don't think so. Yeah, you go back to 1980 again. That's a long time. We tell people your money's supposed to double about every 7 to 10 years. 1980 is not 7 to 10 years ago, so
that's for sure.
Not a great investment. He talked about, even the current market environment should be kind of positive for gold. It's not. Reason we say a strong economy and fear of inflation. Well, gold's supposed to be a hedge against inflation, correct? That's still not propping up the price of gold.
Right. And also, too, you got the trade wars. I mean, trade wars, oh, that's a fear thing. We better buy gold to be safe because we're not sure what's going to happen. And then today, big news on Turkey came out today, how fearful that is.
Yeah, so I mean, it's still not pushing up the price of gold, which is pretty interesting, I guess. But you brought up Turkey, wanted to address that situation because stock market was down today. Oh my gosh, Trump's doubling the tariffs and we're at war with Turkey. Things are terrible. Steel imports are now going to be 50%. It sounds like a pretty dire situation. But as we like to do for you, our viewers, we took a closer look at the numbers for you.
Exactly, yeah. So let's talk about the imports from Turkey. They're $9.4 billion in 2017. That sounds like a lot of money, but when you look at the total U.S. imports, I'm going to let you be good, the big number there.
2.3 trillion. Kind of a fun thing I should have done was look at the percent of Turkey's imports as a percent of the 2.3 trillion. I can tell you, very small.
Yeah, that's small there. And the GDP for Turkey is what, about $850 billion, I think is what it is. Yeah, and not a very big thing.
I was going to say, a lot of the concern right now is Turkey's currency. I forgot the name of it. It's called the Lira or something.
Lira.
Yeah, that has kind of been depreciating quite drastically. Their economy is not doing very well, so there's concern over that. Reminds me a little bit of the Greece debacle.
Oh, you stole my line. That's what I was going to say. It reminded me so much of Greece back before, the small country causing all these problems. Don't worry about it. I would not be buying gold. And again, we explained why not to. So,
and again, don't panic on your good quality equities because of this Turkey situation. But as I said, maybe be a little leary of gold.
Don't be a turkey and sell.